good, YouTube? Me and my baby girl here are at 7’s day. We about to get some content going and see what's good. Let's get it popping. Look how clean it is. You see what I mean? Oh my God. This is what I want right here. Oh my God, that shit's on the tire. Beautiful. Very pretty.
Is that a Supra?
Mustang. GTR. This is fucking sick. Hold on. Little disclaimer here, Be calm with me because my phone is kind of messed up. It's kind of bright out here, goddamn. But I cracked my phone. Bear with me. I keep putting out these motherfucking bangers for you guys, alright? So bear with me. Keep liking, subscribing. Let's get back to the video, Nick. Taxi. This too.
I like the rims.
I do too.
The blue on it is fire.
I'm in love with this. Ooh. Hold on, babe. Watch out. Oh my goodness. This is new type of. This is the one I want right here. Nice. Nice. Hell yeah. And it's an M. Oh my God. See, look at the insides. You see what I mean? Hell yeah. Nice.
Thank you, bro.
Of course. Hey. Chances all are fun. Not in the video. M4. Or this was the other car I was talking about right here. No, baby. Oh yeah. This is tough too. Oh, hell yeah. See, that's the newer SI. I don't really like it like that. I gotta give me one. It's an olden one.
What is it?
Hell yeah.
That's a damn Lamborghini panel
That's
wagon.
fucking sexy.
Sapphire blue.
It's fucking.
Lamborghini, boy, you can
Oh
man, look at
my goodness Christ. That's fucking sexy. Look at that. And this is the big body. I can't afford that. Can't afford that. I want that car so
We're
bad.
not talking, forgetting that you could just add that stuff out.
No, you can talk shit. Fuck that. More content. That shit's tough. He sliced this thing for sure. Oh, that's fire.
That's some blues. Those are nice colors. Those deep blues.
Got the Audi on the fucking TEs. Oh my god. This is motherfucking money team. This is fucking money team, babe. Oh, they got the new Pilot on TEs. That's tough. Lotus, this thing is tough. Spirit off. This is crazy.
The Studio Ghibli thing.
That shit's tough.
That's cute as hell.
Look at the horns on the bottom. See, I like it, but I don't think I could do it for myself, bro. You said what?
The Studio Ghibli stuff in there.
That's nice. Oh, he definitely tracks that shit. That thing is tough. Shit. Wow. Yes, it's a motherfucking Type R. Babe, look at it. Ah. Oh my god. Look at this. That's tough. Bro, no cap. That's so fucking tough.
I'm about to start chafing in 2 seconds here. Just...
Babe, oh my god. Fuck. No cap. I want an old school car.
I'm telling you, it's so pretty.
Yes. I know. No cap. I need me an old school car. Oh, this is fucking sexy. I need me an old school car.
I know, baby. I heard you.
Jesus Christ. Those are worth a lot of fucking money. Lot of money. It's okay, babe. Oh, this is fucking tough. Oh, this is tough. Loading sport. That ain't this how I'm trying to be. Look at him and his kid, bro. That's about to be me, no cap.
Oh, yeah?
Had a sports car. That's cool, but what kind?
It was a Miata.
Oh, come on. That's not a sports car. How does that even kill a kid? What'd you hit her over the head with it?
That's a legitimate sports car.
Nope. Next.
Oh hell yeah, even this.
All these right-hand drives.
Yes. What? Oh shit. God damn, bro. That shit fucking sexy. bro. She's beautiful, bro. Real beautiful.